Most people work their entire life and still stay broke, not because they are lazy, but because no one taught them how money really works. In this video, I will show you how rich people think, how to start investing from zero, how to grow your money step by step, and how to build real wealth over time, even if you are starting with nothing. Why most people stay poor. Schools teach you math, history, science, but they never teach you how to make money, how to invest, how to build assets. So most people grow up thinking, work hard, get paid, spend everything, repeat. This is the poor cycle. Rich people follow a different system. They use money as a tool. Poor mindset. Money is hard. Investing is risky. I need a big salary first. Rich mindset. Money is a tool. Risk is everywhere. Start small and grow. Rich people don't work for money. They build systems that make money. What is real wealth? Wealth is not a fancy car, a big house, expensive clothes. Real wealth is passive income, assets, financial freedom. If you stop working today, does your money still come? That is wealth. How money really works. There are only 3 things you can do with money. Spend it, save it, invest it. Poor people spend, middle class save, rich people invest. Inflation eats savings. Investing beats inflation. How to start from zero. Step 1. Build emergency fund. Step 2. Learn basic investing. Step 3. Start with index funds. Step 4. Add money every month. Step 5. Be patient. You don't need luck. You need consistency. Best beginner investments. Index funds, S&P 500, ETFs. Dividend stocks. Real estate later. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes. Gambling. Meme coins. The 10-year wealth plan. Year 1. Learn plus save. Year 2. Start investing. Year 3 to 5. Grow portfolio. Year 6 to 10. Compound growth. This is how real millionaires are built. If you want a different life, you must build different habits. Start today. Your future self will thank you. Follow the channel because in the coming period I will teach you how to invest in your home from scratch.